Hey everyone, looking to boost your income? You're in the right place. Here are the top 10 side hustle ideas for 2025. Let's get started. First up, freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to find clients. Set your own rates and work on projects you love. Freelancing offers flexibility and the chance to build a diverse portfolio. Next, online tutoring. Share your knowledge with students worldwide, whether it's academic subjects, languages, or even music lessons. There's always someone eager to learn. Websites like tutor.com and VIPKid connect you with learners. Schedule sessions at your convenience. This makes it easy to balance with other commitments. At number 3, dropshipping. Start an online store without holding inventory. Use Shopify and Oberlo to sell products directly from suppliers. This means you can focus on marketing and customer service. Market your store and let fulfillment happen automatically. It's a great way to run a business with minimal overhead. Number 4 is print on demand. Create unique designs and partner with Printful or Teespring. Pay for products only after you make a sale. This reduces risk and allows you to test different designs. 5th is affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission on sales. It's a win-win for you and the brands you support. Amazon Associates and ShareASale are great places to start. These platforms offer a wide range of products to promote. At number 6, virtual assistants. Help businesses with administrative tasks. From managing emails to scheduling appointments, your support can be invaluable. If you're organized and tech-savvy, this is perfect for you. Plus, you can work from anywhere. 7th is pet sitting or dog walking. Love animals? Earn money by caring for pets. It's a fun way to stay active and spend time with furry friends. Use apps like Rover or Wag to connect with pet owners. These platforms make it easy to find clients in your area. 8th is content creation. Create content on YouTube, TikTok, or blogs. Share your passions and build a community. Monetize through sponsorships, ads, and merchandise. The possibilities are endless. 9th is selling handmade crafts or art. Use platforms like Etsy to sell your creations. Turn your artistic skills into a profitable business. Turn your hobbies into profit. It's rewarding to see others enjoy your work. Lastly, rent out a room or property on Airbnb. Earn passive income with extra space. It's a great way to meet new people and make use of unused areas. And there you have it. 10 amazing side hustle ideas for 2025. Choose something you're passionate about. When you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work. Which one are you most excited to try? There's no better time to start than now. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your side hustle.